Okay, so Satya, I'll just explain you about the 35th question, then you can continue. So in the 35th question, it is said that we are having two people. Who are they? David and who's the other one? Albert, right? Okay. So David and Albert are there, and what is happening? David gets on the elevator at the 11th floor of a building and rides up at a rate of 57 floors per minute. Okay. Now, what happens to Albert? Albert in the same building rides down at a rate of 63 floors per minute from the 51st floor. Okay. And we are asked you to find at which floor will their paths cross each other. Okay. Now, let us assume that their paths cross at X minutes. Okay, we do not know the time at which they cross each other, right? So I'm going to assume the time at which they cross each other as X minutes. Okay, so if X is the time taken, what will be the floor at which David will be there? David get into the building at the 11th floor, right? And from there he is moving up at a rate of 57 floors per minute, right? So if I have to cancel this minute, what should I do? This means 57 floors per minute means what? 57 floors, 57 floors in 1 minute, right? Now, how many minutes are we considering? We are considering the time to be X minutes. So multiply this with X. Okay. So 11 plus 57 by 1 into X will be the floor at which David will be there. Okay. And at the same floor, who will also be there? Albert will also be there. And what is the condition for Albert? Albert was at the 51st floor. Then he started to write down. So it is minus. Write down at what rate? 63 floors per minute. Means 63 floors in 1 minute into how much minutes are we considering? We are considering X minutes. Okay. So this will be there. Got it. Now what we have to do? We can go for like simplifying it. 11 plus, what is 57 by 1? It is 57 into X. It is 57X. Equals, what happens here? Here it is 51 minus, what is 63 by 1 into X? It is 63X. Got it. Now bring this minus 63X to this side and 11 to this side. It becomes 57X plus 63X equals 51 minus 11. Okay. So this becomes what? 57 plus 63 becomes 3 plus 10. It becomes 120x, right? 120x equals, what is 51 minus 11? 11 is 40, right? So if that is the case, what will be the value of x? X will be equal to 40 divided by 120 and it will be equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So x is the time at which their path goes. Okay. So x equals 1 by 3 means their path will cross at 1 by 3 minutes. Okay. Now, what we have to find out at which floor it is crossing, right? We have to find the floor number. Okay. So, at put the value of x in either of this equation. Either go for putting it here or in here. Okay. So, I'm putting it here. So, what happens? The floor at which their paths will cross is 11 plus 57 into what is there? X1 by 3. Got it? So this can give you the number of floors. So this becomes what? 57 divided by 3. It becomes 19, right? 19 it should. Isn't it? Yes. So it should be 11 plus 19. And what is 11 plus 19? 19, 20, 29, 30. So it should be the 30th floor in which they should move. Okay. So their paths will close at the 30th floor. Did you get it? Satya, is it okay? Okay. So you can continue doing it. I'll come up with the next question. Okay. And so here let's see what is there in question number 38. It is given that a total of 324 coins are there, of which are paise, 20 paise and 25 paise coins. Totally there are 324 coins, making up a total of how much money? It is rupees 71 becoming. Okay. So now you are asked to find the number of 25 paise coins, right? Okay. So, what we can do? We don't know how many coins are there for 20 paise or 25 paise. Okay. So, just go for assuming that let the number of 20 paise coins be X. Okay. And it is said that there is totally 324 coins. So, what will be the number of 25 paise coins? Totally, there were 324 coins. Among them, X is 20 paise. So, what will be 25 paise coins number? It will be 324 minus X. Am I right? Did you get it? Okay, if that is the case, so we got two of the numbers, it is X and 324 minus X. Okay, so if you go for taking these coins together along with the numbers given and designations given to them, it will be totaling to how much? It is 71, right? So X coins of 20 paise plus 324 minus X coins of 25 paise will be giving you a total of 71. Am I right? Now go for opening the bracket. It becomes 20x plus, what is this? What is 25 into 324? What is 25 into 324? It is 8100. Okay, it is 8100 minus 25x equals 71. Now remember one important thing. This is in paise. This is in paise. This is also in paise, but this is in rupees. So you need to convert this rupees into paise. So how can we convert rupee into paise? One pi, how is the relation happening? 1 rupee means how many paise? 1 rupee means how many paisa? Isn't it 100? Yes. So 71 rupees means 71 into 100 paisa, right? So it becomes 71 into 100. And what is 71 into 100? 71 into 100 is nothing but 710. Got it? So this also becoming paisa. Now everything is clear. You can go forward. It becomes what? 20x minus 25x equals 7100 minus 8100. Okay, so you can solve for x from this, right? Please solve for x. So this becomes what 20 minus 25, it becomes minus 5x, and this difference you'll be getting how much? 81, I mean 8,100 minus 7,100 will be 1,000, right? So it becomes like minus 5x will be equal to minus 1,000. From that you'll be able to find x is equal to minus 1,000 divided by minus 5. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 1,000 by 5 it becomes 200, right? So the value of x is 200. Yes, but we don't want to find the value of x. What do we have to find? We have to find how many number of coins of 25 paise are there. And what is the number of coins of 25 paise? 25 paise coin is 324 minus 6. So 25 paise coins number will be nothing but 324 minus 200. This becomes equal to 124. So your answer will be 120. Did you get it? Clear, na? Okay. So you can continue. I'll be coming in between. Okay.